this video, I will show you how to organize the inbox section of your Gmail. I will also show you the advanced features of Gmail and how to enable them. As you can see, we have the newly created Gmail account here. Now click the icon button, click See All Settings, select Inbox, click the drop down. It is up to you how you want to organize your inbox, but here we will choose Important first. Then on the second drop down, select the number of messages you prefer to be tagged as important. Here, I am choosing 5. Next, click the Customize in Priority to add more subsections within the inbox. Now here, we will select Unread Messages to easily view the messages we haven't seen yet. You don't have to add more sections, but if you prefer, you can click third drop down and select Start. As you can see, everything else is automatically selected. I will not make any changes to the inbox type since we already added unread messages to the inbox section. I will keep the reading pane unread so I can have a bigger view of the messages list. For the importance markers, I suggest selecting Show Markers. And for the filtered mail, since we are customizing the inbox, select Choose Do Not Override Filters or Don't Override Filters. Finally, do not forget to save all changes made. You may be wondering how we can maximize our Gmail usage, or probably what are the other features available on Gmail. To do that, go back to Settings and go to Advanced. Here, Settings, select All Settings, Advanced. As you can see, there are 4 features here, and I highly encourage you to enable all of them. There is also a description in each feature for us to easily understand their purpose. My favorite feature is the template. I usually send repetitive emails. The best examples are follow-up emails for specific projects and acknowledgement emails. Before I discovered this feature, I was saving my templates on Notepad app on my laptop. Now, since my template advanced feature is enabled, I can just save my template and use it whether I'm using my phone or my laptop. Once enabled all the features, just select Save Changes, then it will go back to the home page. It is important as well to use Label section of the Gmail. Here. So for example, we have messages that are not work-related, but just personal. Just click the plus sign beside the labels, then just name it personal. This is just an example. Now, if you notice, there's an option here to nest label under. It will show a drop-down options once we already have one or more labels. I'll show you later, but for the meantime, I will select Create. Now, we have a label that says Personal. To add an email to this label, just choose the email that you wanted to move to Personal and then drag it like this. Now, as you can see, the email is here. This is just an example since this is a new account. And now I just refresh the Gmail so it can show the changes that we made earlier. So as you can see, we have 2 messages under everything else. But let's say I wanted to add this message, the first one, this one, under important. I can just click this Gmail. As you can see, it shows a message. Click to teach Gmail this conversation is important. So it is now marked as important. Now to reflect the changes that we made or the change that we made, just refresh Gmail. And as you can see, it's now on the important subsection of the inbox. And let's say this email, you wanted to mark as unread, click mark as unread and refresh. Now it's under mark as unread. And of course, we can just open this and refresh again. Now it went back to everything else. Well, that's it for my tutorial today. I hope you learned something. See you next time.